For every real estate project, there are 3 layers of investors. First layer, the early investor. People who have equity on the project. These are people who invested in the project before a single block is laid on the ground. The second layer, off-plan investors. These are people who invest in the project when construction is still ongoing on site, pretty much when the project is still at this stage. And the third layer, these are the late investors, the general market. These are people who invest in the project when the units are fully completed. Now, this is how the dynamics of return on investment work for all the categories of investors. For the early investors, they start seeing a rise in their return on investment when the off-plan investors start taking position. And for the off-plan investor, they start seeing a rise in their own return on investment when the late investors, the general markets, when they start locking in their own units. So it's pretty much a case of the earlier you invest, the more money you make. But the earlier you invest, the more risk you're taking, which is why you need to ensure that you're buying from a developer, people who have the financial capacity to deliver on the project. And for sure, we do have that financial capacity. So send us a DM today to lock in your own unit.